Well, hello everyone. Today I am going to weld my dewalt 40 volt chainsaw, and I will tell you why. I know a lot of you out there are dewalt fan, and I will tell you why. Dewalt came out with the battery chainsaw a few years ago for the 40 volt, and to hold the chain into the machine they have a washer, and on top of the washer they have this tiny little pin called the retainer pin. And sometimes when it hit hard on the tree, the chain get loose and knock the washer off, which knock the retainer pin off. Then you have to go find it in the grass, or which is impossible, or you can go to Lowe's and buy like a bunch of it and replace it every time you go missing. For me, it was quite often. If I cut for like an hour, then I'm gonna go have to go buy a new retainer pin or replace it. Well, after a while, my 40 volt went bad. The motor stopped working, and to replace the motor was like $150. So I went ahead and bought a brand new one anyway. So they came out with this new one. Instead of using a retainer pin to hold the washer and hold the chain, they have a bolt that when you go counterclockwise to go in to lock, and when you go clockwise, it's actually to open up. Well, the reason that I have to weld this brand new one is because the bolt that they given with this is too weak. So what I did was that I over tight and a little bit, and it just broke off. So it was merely impossible to find a different bolt. So it's not worth it for me to go out there and find a new bolt. I'm just gonna weld this on. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna weld on and show you many cut. By the way, I'm cutting this beautiful maple tree is because half of it is went bad. If I don't cut it, it's just an accident waiting to happen. All it need is a little storm, a little wind, and here in Kansas we get a lot of wind, and this thing will just blow and flip right over my house. Sorry that I wasn't able to record the whole part when I cut down the whole tree. I cut it down to the root. My camera got blown over and it wasn't recording, so I'm apologize for that. But yes, after I welded this the wall, and it worked fine, and it's been cutting really good. I cut so far 5 tree with it. Some of you might think that, well, how do you replace the motor if you want to take it out because you welded it? Well, the motor is really expensive. It's like $150. I can get this chainsaw for like $250 online, so it's not worth it to replace just the motor. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I hope this makes sense to some of you out there.